In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change vocals in Suno. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your library, and then on this case, you can find all of the actual things that you have created so far. Now, once you're in here, head over to the create option if you want to create a new one or a new song that you wish to actually use in this particular part. Wait for this to actually load and you should be able to see and hear this. Now into this part, you can just paste or type the lyrics for the song into the text box. For example, let's click onto this lyrics option right here. So from in there, this will actually load this. So for this styles, you can see actually the style about it, advanced, as well as the song title and the likes. So for this case, you can just assign voices for this particular song. So when you actually enable the lyrics, you can find the lyrics right here, and in here you can click on this persona. And for this particular persona, you can choose right here who will actually song or who will actually sing this song right there. So from in there, this will generate a new song that will actually have a new vocals for this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.